this is our last day of 5 days training sa basic life support. So narito kami sa Hannah's Garden Event Space at ito ang nagsilbi naming venue for our training, and napakarami naming natutunan at igagala ko kayo dito sa Hannah's Space. Maganda yung kanilang area. Maraming iba't ibang klase ng halaman na makikita mo, and then yung amenities maganda rin, and ang sarap matulog actually. Maririnig mo yung huni ng ibon, tapos yung mga kuliglig along, tapos yun maganda. Hindi pa actually napag-swimming kasi nga nilagnat ako. First kasi ni-wrap up ko yung lahat ng pwede kong gawin, kasi kailangan ng i-advance yung workloads. Munti ka na rin akong mag-quit sa training nito. Stories Short Series. So finally, napag-swimming din ako, at on my background marami rin ilang swimming na mga trainees, and I am actually thinking of something, isang malaking challenge, and I will be facing it maybe soon. Matagal na itong request sa akin, and I think it is about time for me to give this opportunity a space for me to grow as a leader and community workers. Yan. So yun na yung term, community workers na ako. So I am excited to do that, but I am also afraid of something may happen. Hindi natin alam kung posibleng mangyari along the way, but preparing is the best tool to get there. Mahirap, pero let's just cross the bridge when I get there. So soon malalaman nyo yan.